I'm trying to get my computer back up. Okay, so I'm able to like learn how to use John the Ripper to like crack zip files, the raw archive files, and the SSH. So, but other than that, I just thought that was very interesting to like learn how to like do and like extracting those passwords.
Okay. Sister Sanjita, go ahead.
So I have learned CIA triad and why it's important in cybersecurity, and what's the meaning of CIA. Like C means confidentiality, I means integrity, and A means availability. So I just summarize all these things and make a note because of my interview. I think it have asking me any question about that. That's why, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Brother Aslan.
Brother, I didn't get a time to look at the last class yet.
I'm saying whatever part you remember and from your head, you join with us a couple of classes. Yeah.
Oh, the same thing the mostly I learned about the like how you can from the zip fisher you can get the you can get the password and the email and the password from other people if you send a link and you can get their information easily.
Okay.
Hmm. That was the most interesting thing I learned.
That's good. Oh, thank you very much. So anyway, so what?
Also, sorry, can I add something? I bought a very cheap webcam from Amazon and it's not working, so I plan to return it today because of the holiday, the stores was closed back to Amazon. So until I have a new one from Amazon, then I can be able to like have my webcam on.
Okay.
Yeah, I did the same thing actually. I ordered it from Amazon. I tried to connect it. It didn't work, and my laptop camera is not working either. So I'm not really sure what to do with this.
Yeah. Anyway, so about your webcam, nobody gonna to come and if you pay someone, they will come and fix it up. You have to fix it up ASAP. You cannot hold that problem for long.
Yeah.
It is very simple. Nobody come and cut your nails. You have to
Mm-hmm.
cut, otherwise you have to pay. Very simple. So second thing, you see the couple of multiple video. I don't know how many times you give efforts to solve it. How many times you take your classmates' presents, help each other, right? And how many videos you see. Reason for I'm saying how dedicated you are to solve your issues. Maybe I don't know. So let's see. The purpose of the class presentation is not what topic you learn. Purpose of the class presentation is choose any specific topic and explain it. What is that? Why it is important? How it is important? And if it is not implemented or taken care of, what kind of damage can be happen? How we can protect it? What are the good examples? That means any specific topic you are teaching everyone, for example. That is the goal of the topic. You learn some that topic, metasploit or SIEM tools or BAP suite or for example DDoS attack or any other things, right? This is not an objective or goal of the presentations. You pick up just any single topic, whatever you like. For example, CIA threat, fine. And you have to explain why CIA threat is important and what is it, right? If it is not, what can be happen? Exactly. And give every uh, 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 confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And what does it mean, confidentiality, with examples and how it is effect in the business, right? Then it will be stay with you, honestly. Then it will stay with you. The purpose is that, and you know practically, for example, at the end of the all of course everything you will learn, but when it comes to communications, you will then we are learning, that's fine. So we need to explain all those step by steps. So anyway, without want to just goal is from the next sessions you just keep focus. Okay, I will discuss Tuesday this small topic. I will discuss in uh, Saturday on this topic. 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes with all of those details. Anyway, go ahead, brother Kareem. I don't want to hold you.
Assalamu
Everyone
alaikum.
understand, brother,
Yeah,
please? What is our expectation? Yeah, go ahead, please.
okay, sir. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. How is going or everything, brothers and sisters?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah,
Everything good,
wa alaikum
alhamdulillah.
salam. Wa
Okay,
alaikum salam.
mashallah.
Walaikum assalam.
So I'm sharing my screen and whatever your actually why you are going to learn cybersecurity. Can you explain one by one why you are choosing cybersecurity? Why, brother Sulaiman, please? Can you tell me why you are choosing cybersecurity? Why not data science and artificial intelligence or any other sector from IT part of IT?
I believe cybersecurity is a very challenging career, and I'm here to like challenge myself and improve on my skill set and um and get a like more stable and promising role in IT.
MashaAllah, beautiful. Brother Anafi?
Yeah.
So the reason I wanted to get into cybersecurity is because is I'm always curious about how systems work and what can go wrong when they're actually not protected. So the more I learned about cybersecurity, the more I realized that it's really about protecting people, data, and the business itself. So and I also like that cybersecurity forces you to think critically, and threats are always changing, vulnerabilities are always new, anything can happen. So it's always best to make sure that everything is protected, and that's why I wanted to get into cybersecurity.
MashaAllah, beautiful. Alhamdulillah. Brother Arsalan?
Hey, so I wanted to learn cybersecurity because I have a strong interest in cybersecurity and I wanted to learn something different. I was already learning computer science, but I wanted to learn something different. And that's what I'm trying to do and get it done, you know.
MashaAllah. And Sister Sanjida?
Okay, I choose cybersecurity because technology is growing and also cyber attacks also. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to know like how people protect data, privacy, and system from hackers. And it's also a field with high demand, good career growth, and that's why I want to learn cybersecurity. Thank you.
Beautiful. MashaAllah. It's really cybersecurity is a future-proof job, and from my experience, I'm doing job as well as business. But my job experience is that you can dominate your company, you can dominate your organization if you are a good cybersecurity expert. Okay, not only your organization or your company that you are going to dominate. I thought you can dominate whole job market. if you are a good expert in cybersecurity. Okay, people will search you, not you need, no need to search job by yourself. Company will search you, company will find you, company will get hire you, and company will get benefit from your knowledge if you are become a cybersecurity expert. Okay, this from my experience. I never work in a freelancing site in a Fiverr or Upwork or any other related to website or freelancing sites, but I have done lots of projects all over the world. So these the things, if you know very well cybersecurity, people will hunt you, inshallah. Okay, so our last session was done by phishing simulation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
okay, so we'll remind malware analysis and threat analysis. So before that, I wanna go start with web applications because I am prepared today's class for web application and server vulnerability assessment is because this is important more than malware analysis and threat intelligence. Okay. So inshallah later on in our next session we will be covered malware analysis and threat intelligence as well. Okay. So what is the web application? Everybody knows? Anybody can explain what is the web application? What is the web server? What is the network? Anybody can explain? Okay. When you are thinking about web application, that means you have a web server. It's mandatory. Any kinds of web application run from web server. Okay. So if you think about this scenario, okay, if you think about the scenario, like this is web server and this is web application. And this is the actually network. This is the web server, web application, and middle of the road called network, called traffic transformation. Okay. So when you think about web application, that means in backend all data comes from a web server. Okay. So any kinds of web application has or hosted in a web server. Okay. So we know very basic things what is web application and what is web server. Okay. So if you go through the here, we are going to talk about today web application security and vulnerability assessment. Yeah, that means how you can assess web application that have vulnerability or not. Okay. So what is web application? Web application like a software which actually hosted in a web server, and when you ping to your server to your browser like www.google.com, and what you see actually in your browser, this is called web application. What you see in your browser, like facebook.com, when you search when you put it facebook.com in your browser and get back a response, this what you see in the browser, this is the web application actually. Okay. And web server actually, you when you browse www.facebook.com and you see a web page or login page or your profile page or dashboard something else, this is application, and this application actually comes from another another part of the world. You can consider another part of the town which is hosted in a server. Okay, this is the hardware device, your all application hosted inside a server. And when you, if your server is up or running or active, then you can ping this web address and you get response from your web server. This is called web server. Okay, and type of web server, this is the very important things. So many type of web server available over the world, but most popular web server is Apache. This is the open source, everybody can use. And another web server is Node.js, Nginx. Nginx also open source. This is the very popular. Our website, the 000 and the Sustain Secure also run with Nginx. Nginx open source as well as little bit fast than Apache. Okay, so open light speed sun IIS application web server actually for ASP.NET built-in website run in IIS. That means IIS from Microsoft. Okay, so if your website built with Microsoft technology like ASP or C# or anything else which is Microsoft provided code programming language, then IIS will be best choice for you. Apache Tomcat for Java script for core Java language. Apache Tomcat web server used for pure Java language written application will be run. Apache Tomcat is very well managed. And another web server name is Light TPT. Okay, what is database? Database web server and database is the different things. Okay, web server actually hosted your application and database hosted your database, hosted your all data is stored in your database, and all your application hosted in your application web server. Okay, so web server has a very basic two part. One is application, another is database. Application connected to database. When you search or requested to your application that I want to search or I want to see this kind of data, so your application communicate with database and database get response to your web application and you will see this response what actually you wanted to see. Okay, so application and database, this is not same. Application is different, database is different. Application actually drive your database. Okay,
Okay.
Recording in progress.
I thought it was just me.
sorry brother, maybe my
No,
internet is dropped.
I think summer's internet issue.
Okay, so application is different things, database is different things. Application you can consider a driver for database. Application can drive database, and database actually stored your all data. Okay, when you put it anything in your application, this data going to be stored, going to be saved in your database. Okay, this is the type of database. Basically two type of database actually very common uses over the world. Number one is relational database and number two is NoSQL database. Also, as well as you can consider another database format which is graph, time series, document or in-memory database. But very most used database is relational database and NoSQL database. So, okay, so I'll share all this documentation slides to all of you. You can read all these things. What is the NoSQL database? What is the relational database? Okay. Type of web application. Okay, so this actually important. You have to be know. One is static web application, another is dynamic web application. So what is static web application? Very common way to identify what is static web application. That means this web application don't use any database. Okay, this is the basic difference between static web application and dynamic web application. Static web application don't use database, don't connect it with any database, but dynamic web application connected to a database. Dynamic web application, you can change everything. If you don't know any programming language, no matters. Okay, but static web application, you have to know the specific programming language what actually using to build that website. So this is the difference between static web application and dynamic web application. Dynamic web application means backend. In backend, this application drive to a database, all data comes from a database. And web application don't use any type of database, all data is stored in the web server, in the web application server, not in database server. Okay, and single page application, actually you can consider very small things like sometime you see maybe a website which is a single page from top to bottom, like home page, ad, about page, like training page, or maybe they have a 5 or 10 page, but all page put it in single page. Okay, so this called actually single page application. And multi-page application, you can consider it like e-commerce application. Multi-page application, basically multi-page application and dynamic application almost same, both are connected to a database, and you can manage as well as your development, or how you actually wanted to manage, you can do. Like when you build a website by using WordPress, this also web dynamic web application as well as multi-page web application. But for multi-page web application in WordPress, you need to be install o-commerce plugin. Okay, so this is the very small or very little difference between dynamic web application and multi-page web application. Okay, e-commerce content management system. E-commerce, we know already what is e-commerce. And content management system, actually WordPress, Drupal, OpenCart, Joomla, all these things are very common content management application, like Shopify maybe. It is the new one. This actually provide you service like software as a service. Then you can create a website without know any type of programming language. This is called CMS, content management system. They provide you a service to build a website without know any programming language, like drag and drop you can build a website. Okay, so portal website, rich internet application website, so all these things I will share with you, you can read. So how to identify, this is the important, how to identify the technology used on any web application. Okay, so maybe we talk about before, for this application, for like the 000, sorry, or sustain secure. So this is the websites, how we can identify what technology used to build this website. Anybody can tell me? Maybe we discussed before what these things. Anyway, so these the
Um,
important things for cybersecurity expert or for ethical hacker. Okay, you need to be know what technology actually they used to build this website, what the version of this technology, and how they have any vulnerabilities or not. Lots of things you can be know for these things. Okay, so
um,
yeah, tell me.
Sorry. Is that the one that you use the vaporizer to like
Yes,
determine,
yes,
like okay.
yes.
Yeah,
So
the one on top.
this is the one Chrome extension which name is Vaporizer. If you don't install, you can just click here, and here you will find maybe add to Chrome. Just click this add to Chrome. I have added already. For that I have got this button remove from Chrome. Okay, so Sister Sanjita, you have this application extension to your Chrome.
No.
Okay, so just go to Google and search
Okay.
by this or search term Wapalizer space Chrome.
Yeah, I got.
And press enter, and you will get this link like that.
Okay. Can you share the link?
Yeah,
uh,
already shared,
I
already
think it's
shared.
different. Yeah, okay.
And you guys can share all of your skin parallelly as well. Not now.
sister, it would be better to help you.
Okay.
To save the time, you can do that. That you just share your screen quickly. Be friendly with that.
Sorry, my laptop is disturbed.
It's all right, sister, no problem at all. You have done, sister?
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I have done. So it said identify technology on website.
Yes.
So I have to give the link, right?
No, no, no. Can you
So
share
it
your
said
screen,
you are.
please? Sister,
Yeah,
can
sure.
you share your screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So, top of the search box. No, not here. Open new tab. Open new tab, sister.
Okay.
Okay. Write down here Wapalizer space.
Mobilizer. W E
Wapalizer space
space.
Chrome. CHROME. Yeah. Enter. Press enter. Okay.
Okay.
Scroll down. Little down. So you are using Chrome, right? So before that, write down here top of the line google.com. You are searching by
Okay.
Bing. Okay.
So here,
Yeah,
google.com.
yeah. Write down here google.com. Remove all these things. No, no, no. Remove all these things and write down here google.com. Okay. Press enter. Click the google.com. Yes. Okay. So write down here Wapalizer space Chrome.
Spelling Y.
PA.
I- Okay.
Lizer Chrome extension. Third one. Select third one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Click this link. Yes. Okay. You have already added. Okay. So just go to the left corner top of this your browser. You will get a puzzle icon. Little
Here.
no, little right side. You will get a beside the star icon.
Oh, here.
Yeah, puzzle icon. Click the puzzle icon. Yes, yes, this one. Click
Mm-hmm.
and pin the vaporizer. You will see a alpine icon, alpine pin icon, right?
Yeah.
You click here. Okay. So now visit the okay. All this done. Visit our
Okay.
website the 000.com or the sustainSecure.com, any website from us. The 000 THE. No need to put space. The 000 single word. Sister single P.
Please click from the
0
Zoom text.
.com. Okay, press enter from your keyboard. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So this is our website, right?
Mm-hmm.
So refresh this website again. Refresh. Click the refresh button. Yes, and wait. Okay. Now go to the puzzle icon. Beside you will get a vaporizer icon, which is no, not from here, not from here. Beside puzzle
Okay.
icon, beside puzzle icon, you will see 33, number
Oh,
33. Yeah,
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay.
Click here.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is the technology we actually use to build this website. What is the technology? Our
What?
CMS is WordPress, version is
Yeah. What?
6.9, and we use payment processor, which is Stripe.
Yeah.
We use
Okay.
Elementor for page builder. We use TDU for live chat, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm sending
Okay.
another website in Zoom chat box. Try to find out the technology from this website as well. Okay. Or you can search our Sustain Secure website actually. I'm sending this to Zoom chat box. Okay. Go to this website, which is Sustain Secure, and tell me what technology actually used to build this website.
It says HSTS.
Okay, this security.
Why does it?
You mean Cloudflare?
Cloudflare actually used for analytics or performance as a CDN or browser inside data. Okay, we use actually here a custom code which is from JavaScript library. Like we use slider which is from OWL carousel. We use jQuery for automation or for button, and we use mundane modernizer for core application building. Okay, so from JavaScript library. So this is custom made so that you don't find where, like WordPress or anything else like that. So anyway, I'm sending another website. It would be easy to find out. Okay, just a minute. So check it out. I have sent another website which name is mamain.com. Tell me what technology used to build this website. This is not same technology. Or I can
Hmm.
send it you. Okay. What technology actually used to build this website? Can you anybody tell me, please?
OpenCart and AMP, and then JavaScript libraries as well, with Bootstrap and PHP.
What is the core technology? Core technology.
Oh,
What is the main technology actually?
mm, PHP?
This is the main programming language.
Oh,
Main framework. What is the main framework? Like for PHP,
Ye-
you can find maybe Laravel, maybe CodeIgniter, maybe Cake PHP.
A,
Only
is it
in
A,
OpenChart, MySQL?
AMP?
AMP, search in Google what is AMP.
Mhm.
AMP for mobile version. This is the
Oh,
framework. This is the framework. This actually for desktop version make it mobile version optimizable version, AMP version. Okay. Okay. Anybody can tell me what is the core framework? Anybody can take advantage from Google, from ChatGPT.
So Laravel. uh,
Uh, Anyone, just write down. Be sure and write down your answer in Zoom chat box, please.
So popular PHP framework is Laravel
Not
and
popular. What actually Mamayan use core,
okay.
yeah, core framework or core technology. What is the core technology Mamayan used to build their website? For example, our 000 core technology is WordPress, right? Yeah. And for sustain secure core technology is Modernizer, JavaScript framework, or sorry, JavaScript library. So for the Mamayan, what is the core technology? Okay, brother Hanafi, answer is open card. Anyone? Sweeper, okay. And Sister Sanjita. Brother Arsalan open card, okay. And Sister Sanjita. Sister, you have to answer, please.
Okay.
Open card. Okay. Sister Sanjita, can you explain why you think this open card is core technology?
I don't know. I just access ChatGPT and it's
Okay, so brother Arsalan,
I'm not sure about that either. Why is OpenCart?
okay,
I mean, it says like our website, we use WordPress to create that 000, right?
no, yeah,
So
yes,
maybe
yes,
it's the OpenCart to create the Mamayan.
no. So this is the important thing. This is the e-commerce site, right? Everybody knows this is the e-commerce
Mm-hmm.
site. Check it out here. This is the
Yeah.
e-commerce site. Okay. So what is actually open cart? Before answer, we need to be search what is open cart. So OpenCart is a free open source e-commerce platform builder, right? Which is written by PHP, and you can consider this model is MVCL, model, view, controller, and language. MVCLS, core framework, model, view, controller, and language. Okay, so this the important things. OpenCart is core framework which is free and help to build a e-commerce site. So that our answer would be OpenCart. Okay, brothers and sisters.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
Mamayan used to build their website by OpenCart. Okay. So our another is although.com. We don't have actually permission to check this website, but maybe this is a passive recon. Maybe we can do. Okay. This is a website which is although everybody knows. Okay. So what technology used to build this website? Or okay, what technology actually used to build this website? What is the core technology?
Shopify.
Is this Shopify?
So how you understand, sister?
E-commerce. You said that.
No, you need to be
No?
search on Google.
Okay.
Okay, what is Shopify? What is this?
It's a website for drop shipping
Yes,
stores.
they also have to build a website, build an e-commerce site, right? Shopify. So we know Shopify also a website builder, e-commerce website builder. Okay. So if you think about for this website, Zeri.com, what technology they use to build their website? What is the core technology?
Oh. Constructor.
Sister Sanjita,
Yeah.
what is the core technology they use to build their website? Zeri.com.
Constructor.
How you understand?
Just let me see. Can I see the spelling?
Sorry, sister.
Can I? Okay. No, I just see the spelling. Truct.
Jerry.com, it uses Express, right?
Sorry, brother.
Uh,
Just
Jerry.
just a minute. I'm sending this domain.
Okay.
Check your Zoom chat box. Sorry. I put it as. Okay, I have sent it already. Okay, brother Sulaiman, can you tell me what is core technology they used to build this their website?
Express.
Write down in Zoom chat box.
Oh, sorry.
Sister Sanjita, please write down your answer. Brother Anafi and Brother Arsalan also write down your answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And brother, okay.
Brother, I'm not sure.
Just write down any answer what you think better best.
So how can identify like which technology they are using? Like
Core technology.
is there
They
yeah,
are yeah they are using lots of technology, multiple technology. But what is the core technology? Core technology is constructor. Okay, constructor work like a framework. If you are thinking about Laravel, if you are thinking about CodeIgniter, Symfony, CAC PHP, in PHP framework. So as it is, constructor is a e-commerce framework which built with Node.js. Okay, check it out here. The
so
programming language is Node.js. Okay, and JavaScript framework is Bow.js. Check it out here. This is the
yeah.
JavaScript
Now
framework. So you have to understand what is the programming language, what is the JavaScript, what is the core technology, what is the mobile application technology. All these things you need to be understand. Okay, so core technology is for example WordPress is a core technology, but main programming language or core programming language is PHP. WordPress written by PHP, but WordPress is a CMS or you can consider like a framework. Okay, so for example, we if you think OpenCart, which is built mamain.com. Okay, so OpenCart is a framework. OpenCart built by PHP language. Core programming language is PHP, but core framework is OpenCart. So when, for example, this website built with constructor, right? But you think this website built with programming language Node.js, and you wanted to enumerate scanning or lots of things doing by using Node.js or for Node.js, you never find anything. It's because this is the core programming language. If has any vulnerability in their programming language, you will never find anything. You have to be find out the construction architecture, right? So for example, constructor in here or for the 000 WordPress, this is the construction structure. Everybody can understand construction structure. For example, you have a building, you have a piling, you have a RCC pillar, you have rod, cement, lots of things. You just build a structure. This is not a full building. So constructor for this website and OpenCart for Mamain website and WordPress for the 000 website, They provide you the construction structure. Okay.
I mean, the framework, right?
Yes, they just provide you the construction structure, and construction structure actually built with cement, rod, and any other elements, and WordPress actually built with PHP. Constructor for this scenario built with Node.js. Okay, so you have to be find out what is the construction structure, what technology used to build, right? For example, if this website built with just a minute, I'm showing another website from here. So this is the another website. Okay, so if you search from here, uh, okay, we don't find anything. Anyway, I'm going try to going another page and check it out. We anyway, we did not find anything, but I know this website actually built with CodeIgniter. Okay, and for example, this website or Mamayan website, just a minute, Mamayan website has the permission to go inside, no problem at all. So we think about Mamayan website. Okay, so check it out. This website actually built with OpenCut, right? And if you think about the web programming language, maybe we'll find PHP. Anyway, I know PHP, OpenCut actually built with PHP. As well as you also have to know OpenCut, which programming language. Okay. Okay, so maybe we don't know OpenCut built with which programming language, but right now I know OpenCut built with PHP, right? So this is not important for us for now. Important is OpenCut. It's because OpenCut is a core technology. Okay, OpenCut is a core technology. Okay, so if you think about OpenCut, okay, just write down OpenCart and go to the download. Maybe we will find the core technology, then we can be download and install to our web server, then we can be put it lots of things. So you can download this OpenCart structure, architectural structure from here. Okay, and this is completely free. Okay, so we don't download from here, but we wanted to see previous release. So check it out, we will get this information. OpenCart has a version. This is the important things, right? Okay, for example, by any way we find out this OpenCart, this Mamayan use this version. uh, release note, previous release. Okay, they don't have lots of version. Anyway, for example, anyway we find this version OpenCart use Mamayan to build their website. Okay, so what we do, just copy these things and go here and write down here OpenCart vulnerability. Sorry. So this is the easy way to find out this vulnerability from the web application, from a web server website, right? But if you think about programming language, core programming language, then you need to be do lots of work. Okay, But when you find out the core technology or architecture technology, what is the technology they use to build their web architecture, web structure, this would be help you to exploit that website quickly and easily. Understand, brothers?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
so these the things you have to be understand what is the core technology they use to build their website. Okay, so we going back to our slides. Wapalizer we know already how to use, how to identify web server. This is the another challenge. Okay, so for example, Mamayan. Okay, Mamayan.com. Anybody can tell me how to find out this web server? What is their server? Where is it? What is the server provider company name? What is the server IP? What server OS they use? For example, Nginx or Apache or Lightspeed or Open Lightspeed. What is their server name? What is the server version? How many port open from their server? So, what is the way that you can be find out or you can be know what all these things? Okay. So our target is mamain.com. So go to CMD and write down here ping.com. Ping mamain.com, right? And press enter. So we got a IP from here. Check it out. We got a IP address, right? Just copy and paste it to our notepad. Mamayan. So we got this IP, right? So if you think this IP is Mamayan web server, then we can be go further investigation or further scanning or innovation. So we need to be check, is this Mamayan IP actually or not, right? For that we are going to this website which name is hois.com and put it here this domain, sorry, this IP, and press enter or click search. Okay, we got response here. So this IP provider actually Cloudflare net, right? So what is the Cloudflare actually do? We need to be understand these things actually. This IP from Cloudflare net, right? So if you go to the web search in Google and just put it this and press enter. Okay, check it out. This is actually CDN. They provide CDN service. CDN means content management, content delivery network. So content delivery network and web server both are not same. Content delivery network actually just send and receive your data from user to server and server to users. Okay, so this is not important for us. This is work like a proxy server. Okay, so we got this IP which is from Cloudflare and not really from Mamayan web server. Okay, so our mission is failed. But as a hacker, as a cybersecurity expert, you need to be find out this original server IP. So what to do next? So we use another tricks to find out this technology web server. We can use multiple technique, not a single technique. So for first technique, just write down here ns lookup and dash type equal mx, and now mamayan.com and press enter. Okay, so we got lots of things again, right? So for us, important is mail exchanger domain. This is mail exchanger, and domain name is mail.com.mamayan.com. So why this is important? Why mail exchange are important? Is because Mamayan website actually use a proxy server, which proxy provider company name is Cloudflare. Okay. But mail exchanger can't use proxy server. If mail exchanger use proxy server, mail cannot be sent, mail cannot be received. So that mail exchanger never use proxy server. So this is the tricks. So we've already find out what is their mail exchanger. Their mail exchanger is mail.mamayan.com. This domain actually use their mail server. So if you copy this domain and going back to CMD and just write down ping and paste it this domain, which is called mail.mamayan.com, and press enter, we got another IP, right, which is not similar to our previous IP. Just copy and paste it here. Check it out, we got first this IP, but now we got that IP. Okay, so if you going to check this IP from which lookup, what is this IP provider name, where is it from, and is it a real IP from web server or not? Okay, we got response, and this IP provider is Contabo. So we need to be know what is Contabo, what actually they're doing. So just right click here and search by Google. Okay, so Contabo actually German based company, they provide cloud hosting. That means our application hosted in this server, which provider name is Contabo, and their server located in German, right? So this is the way we find out this mamayan.com web server or actual web server. This is the one way. So another way is just go to here, just write down here DNS dumpster, press enter, and write down here mamayan.com, start test. Scroll down, check it out, we got lots of things, but yeah, this is another subdomain they have, but this is their original web server IP. Check it out, this IP and that IP same, this IP and this IP same. So we find out this IP from command line interface and this IP by using DNS dumpster, right? So this is the another subdomain which is called dns.mamayan.com. This is also their original web server IP. This is another subdomain which name is mamayan.com, sorry, mail.mamayan.com. This is also their original server IP. So all these three IP is same, and this IP as well is same. So and original web server located in France and provider is Contabo, right? And they use web server which name is Nginx. Okay, so we talk about type of web server: Nginx, Apache, like Lightspeed, Open Lightspeed, right? Apache, Tomcat, IIS, all these are web server, right? But the mamayan.com actually use Nginx web server, this web server. Okay, So we confirmed already Mamain use this IP, and this is actually their original web server IP, right? So if we think to know more about this web server, so we need to be go here. So we need to be go this website, which name is search. Anyway, I'm sending this website link to Zoom chat box. Okay. Okay, go to this website and paste it your IP which you got from DNS Damister or from command line interface. Okay, just paste it here and click search or press enter from your keyboard. Okay, so we got lots of information from here. First of all, the server location. So this is the server location, or real location, geographical location. You can go here and find out our data center where our website hosted. Okay, and we got some forward DNS. This is actually important. In the same server, multiple website hosted like Sustain Secure, mamain.com, and the 000. All this website hosted, all this website run from this single server, from this server. Okay, and all this port is open. Our server operating system is Ubuntu. Check it out. So server operating system is Ubuntu, and all this port is open from our server, right? So this is very important. Okay, and this is our web server name, which is Nginx, and our operating system is Ubuntu Linux. We know already. So yeah, all the things is going on. Okay, so I'm sending another website to Zoom chat box. You need to be do all these things what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, games. Okay, this is also another website. I'm sending this link to Zoom chat box. uh, what you have to do, you need to be find out their original server IP, location, what is their web server operating system, what web server they use, how many port open, what is the how many forward domain they have, all these things. Brother Aditya, assalamu alaikum.
I'm a little bit late because
It's all
it's
right, brother.
morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Basically, just the weather and situation is not good here. The snowfall last night, the long time,
Yeah, yeah.
and just
I'm also suffering coldness here,
okay.
so all this thing is going a little bit difficult. Anyway, did you setting up your Windows PC, brother?
Oh, setting up, but right now, just I did not bring that one
Okay.
because I'm just on my regular PC that is
Mac
Apple.
OS. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So anyway, all these things you can be do from command line interface or from DNS
Brother
register.
Kareem.
Yeah.
So I tried doing the ping and then NS lookup, but I'm getting MAC address instead of the IP address.
Can you send
So
me
how
your
can I?
screen? Can you share me your screen, brother?
Yes, yes. Okay. So
Just a
I
minute,
did
brother.
the ping and then I'm getting the MAC address, right? And then
This is not MAC address, brother. This is IPv version 6. You need to be convert to IPv version 4. So that you need to be put it same command as it is what you put right now.
And minus
so
4.
ping.
As it is.
So like how do I convert
Games
that?
World, you just write Games World Egypt, yeah.
Put it same command
Okay, so ping games world.
egypt.com
Yeah, minus 4.
and yeah and dot com and space minus 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, -4
Yeah.
like that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Control C.
এইটা হচ্ছে খোকন মামা পাঠাইছে আর এটা কি আমার কাছে পাঠাইছে আর এটা তোমার কাগজপত্র নাকি আর এটা কি তুমি কালকে যাই এটা আমি পাবো
দেখা যাক মামুর কাগজ হয় এখন দেখ কদ্দূর কি হয় সমস্যা নাই বুঝছস যদি আয় তো রিসিভ করে মামুর কাছে দিয়ে দিবি আর যদি না আয় তোর কাছেই থাকবো কি সমস্যা
Okay, so what do you want us to find with for Games World?
What is their original server IP? Just a minute, I'm sending all these things. What do we want from you?
Oh, sure. Mm, the hell.
Just a minute. I've sent it these questions. You need to answer, brothers. Sister Sajida.
I think she left.
Oh, okay.
She said she has an emergency. Please.
Maybe. Anyway,
Yeah.
so brother Arsalan, how you understand this server IP? This is the original server IP.
I'm already doing it. I'm trying to
Okay,
find
okay,
the
okay,
open
okay, okay,
ports.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Brother, how do we check the location again? I don't.
Share your screen, please.
What you said?
Share your screen, please.
Yes, I'm doing it right now. Why it's not letting me do it? Okay, here you go. So, this is the location port.
Just a minute,
Look.
brother.
You'll find on the dumpster as well.
No, this is not original server IP, brother. Make it full screen, brother.
Yes. Oh my God. So I put it on the dumpster.
But you have to understand what is the original server IP. You have to be know.
Server key IP you find on the mail,
Oh, from the prompt
mail
right
dot,
here.
yeah. Any of that.
I did for the game one is isn't it this one?
No, 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 not this one. This from proxy server IP.
Brother mentioned that mail dot anything comes with the mail, it never change if you try to find out from the
Oh,
DNS dumpster or some other resources as well. Host name, you just check with mail dot games world Egypt. Yeah, in this page, don't change the day. In this page, you search on. Go to the who is
well, where?
not
DNS
dumpster.
dumpster.
Okay.
Go down. Go down. Wait, go down. Okay, wait. You see the under the host, there is a host name, a lot of back dot
Yeah.
back dot games world Egypt journal. You just read it, journal games world Egypt.com. Then third one is game mail.
Yeah, mail.
So what does it mean mail? Do you know that?
Mail.
We understand gamesworldegypt.com, but that is the mail. This is the mail server. So under the host, all are the configurations making based on the needs and demands of web application, is e-commerce. So there is a mail. So mail means it is communicating with the mail server, email server, like connect at 000.com, right? Connect
Oh,
at
okay.
+0.com. It is corresponding, if I'm not wrong, right, Karim?
Yes.
So it is a mail server. So whenever they cannot make proxy with the mail server, that's very important. So mail server IP, that's the original IP. 161.97.149.240. That are the IP you are looking for. So this one you are finding from the web application. That means DNS dumpster web application, we are finding it. This IP also you can find through command line interface with, Kali, right?
Got it. So and
Go
it
ahead.
also tell us the location also as the
Exactly.
friends. Okay,
Exactly.
got it.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So both way you need to find command line and web application. That means website in simple our words.
Okay, perfect.
Brother Shine, do you understand it or not?
Just I try to understand,
Okay.
not getting totally.
And Brother Arslan, you also find out with how to find this IP in the command line interface. That's also important. Go ahead and do it now with your Kalia. So what does it mean, port? What that means, brother says open port, right? So what does it mean, port? If it is port is open, what is the problem? If not, what is the merits and demerits about the port? And what is portable? Yeah, in the census, go to the top. Brother Aslan, you can go to the this Karim's, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, brother Sulaiman. Oasis Linux. Okay. Okay. So, brother Sulaiman, how many port open from this server? Open ports.
Oh, 1, 2, 3,
No, no.
4.
Just copy this all ports and paste it Zoom chat box.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, all right.
They have multiple open ports.
Yes.
Yeah. That's a good point. Copy and paste.
Yeah.
Just copy and paste. That helps more visibility. Yeah. Ports.
Yeah. I just stopped because of the SSH 22 is open, so that's why I put 22.
Okay, no, no, no. Actually, they have a multiple ports open, which is 21 FTP, 22 SSH, 25 for SMTP, 80 for HTTP, 110 for POP3, 143 for IMAP, 443 for HTML, and 465 SMTP, 587 for SMTP, 888 for HTTP, and 993 for IMAP, 995 for POP3, 26443 for HTTP. Okay, so they have lots of open port, but here important vulnerable port is 21 FTP, 22 SSH, and we can search another HTTP like 888 or
Yeah.
26.44 26443. So if we find anything in this two port 888 and 26443, then we can consider all these are vulnerable. But 21 and 22 open means vulnerable. Okay.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I suggest whatever the port Brother Karim says, please note it, write it down, so that some of the port, for example, 10, 15 port, we need to just remember that what are the port are vulnerable port if we find it is open. Right? Correct, Brother Karim?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
because
it will be.
yeah,
Yeah.
It's because 21 is FTP port. If it is open, then attacker can be try to exploit using this port and go inside the server. 22 SSH port is at same like 21. If this port is open, attacker can exploit by using this port and go inside this web server. Okay, so that port is vulnerable from that website. Okay, if you think about our Mamayan, check it out. I'm sending this Mamayan IP again to Zoom chat box. Then you can just search on sensors and check how many ports open and we have any vulnerable port or not. Just go to sensors and search our IP. I have posted in Google Zoom chat box. Brother Suleiman, Brother Anafi, and Arsalan, just search on Google sensor and paste it here. How many ports open from our server?
For which website?
I've sent this IP in Zoom chat box.
Okay, 4588.
Okay, so okay, so now you can compare to the Games World Egypt website and Mamayan website web server. Sorry, Games World Egypt web server and our web server, which is Mamayan web server. How many ports open from their web server and from our web server? So we don't have open 22 and 21, right? So this is the work as a cybersecurity expert that you can do to your organization. Okay, so now you understand what would be your work in your organization, how many ports open and what port actually open, what port you need to be open for work, what you need to be closed, what you need to be filtered by firewall, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so we going back to our slides again. What is the DNS records? Common type of DNS records. Okay.
But Kareem,
Yeah.
can you give me like 10 minutes? I want to go. I want to move my car so they can plow the
Oh,
driveway.
okay, no problem. It would be
Yeah, I'll
better.
be
We
back.
are going to take a break for 10 or 15 minutes. We will be coming back 15 minutes.
Okay.
After
All right.
15
Thank you.
minutes. Okay,
Bye.
brothers?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, all of you. Assalamu alaikum.
In Messi, in the Thanksgiving Day. So they put more traffic on Messi's websites, right? For example, Messi maybe in 1 minute can handle, for example, maybe 1 million order, for example, right? For example, Messi can handle 1 million order, maybe 1 minute, because a lot of people want to buy Messi's product for Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year, something like that. But DDoS attack means they send order, for example, maybe 2 millions or 1.2 million order or 5 million orders. It's something like that. It's a fake. So the server crash. So when server crash, after that, you can see that server and others controls happen. So many things we talk later. it comes to bottleneck of the applications, servers, right? All of those, even in terms of login bottleneck or processing order bottleneck or traffic bottleneck, we call load testing. How much load can take one server, right? So they give overload. So when that happen, then it is make service severe interruption. Can you think if 1 minute or 1 hour Amazon.com or Macy's, right, or Walmart or Sam's Club, all those get down, what can happen, right? How much revenue they will lose? Can you think, right? Anyway, Brother Kareem comes, so I'm just giving a little bit, taking opportunity. Brother is not here. Go
Okay,
ahead.
thank you. It's all right, sir. Okay, so this is the last way for as a attacker or as a hacker that your server going down by attempting DDoS attack. So when you are using this proxy server and Corium try to make DDoS attack, all this attack going to be attempt to this proxy server, not to your original server. So this is the another security layer, another security posture from your proxy server. So these are the things actually proxy server do. Okay, so and most popular proxy server provider in the world, which name is Cloudflare. Okay, so if anybody has any question, you can ask me. Okay, brothers.
Okay.
Okay, why we use proxy server? Okay, we covered already anonymity and content filtering. Okay,
Did you bring your laptop, Aditya Shahin, the Windows?
Yes, yes.
Can you quick
okay,
share your
why
screen?
proxy provider?
Okay, please.
Okay, brother, you can share your screen, please, brother Shahin,
Yes, please.
and I can help you to install Kali to your PC.
Thing is installed already, Kali.
Okay, okay,
You just
yeah.
check.
Go to your desktop, minimize this browser. Okay, open VMware.
On the
Okay.
top, on the top right, on the top right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one.
This one. Okay, okay. Oh yes.
Okay, click this middle button, open a virtual machine. I'll locate your Kali folder. Maybe it's in download folder.
Yeah. Check download. Yeah.
Okay, maybe not here. Anyway, go to my computer. No, not from here. Close all these things
Okay,
and go to my computer or this computer. Yes, open
okay,
and go to download folder. Okay, install this WinRAR before extracting. Yes, double click WinRAR.
WinRAR. Yes.
Yes. Next. Next. Okay, close. Okay. Okay, close this again. close this one, brother. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So okay. Anyway, uh, open again your this computer, this PC, and go to
Downloaded or
yes.
oh, computer. Okay,
Go to download folder again, please.
okay.
Right click Kali, right click. Okay.
This one. This
Yeah, yeah, this one. Right click
okay.
and open WinRAR.
Uh,
WinRAR, yes.
wait.
Okay, close top one, first one, yes, and just copy. You can copy this folder or extract to. Click extract to.
Oh, okay.
Extract to. You you can find a button. No, download. Click the double click download.
Okay. Oh, download is file. Okay. Is the
Okay,
download?
right click from Kali. Yes, right
Okay.
click. Extract all. Yes,
Extract all and
extract.
extract.
Yes. Maybe it's need little more time to extract.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, about 25 minutes remaining. Maybe it takes 5 minutes. Maybe.
Okay, when it
Yeah.
is done, you just tell Brother Karim.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So, how you can identify this web application actually use web proxy? For example, sorry. For example, mamayan.com. Okay.
Yes.
How you can identify or how you understand or how you know this mamayan.com use proxy server or not? So first things, go to
Yeah.
CMD and write down here ping mamayan.com, and we got this IP. Just copy this IP and go to hoist lookup and paste it here. Hit enter. Okay, we got provider name is Cloudflare. That means this is the proxy server, which is from Cloudflare. This is the one way that you can find or you can
Brother,
understand.
I can't see your screen.
Maybe you are watching, brother.
No. You just switch the change
Yeah, you need to
from
be
Aditya Shahin screen to Brother Karim
screen.
screen. You can see.
Now it's
Yeah.
okay, brother.
I'm trying 1 second.
But Aditya is still sharing a screen.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think, yeah, it's not letting me.
So anyway, brother Shahin, if you don't mind, please stop your screen sharing.
okay.
Then
No problem.
everybody can easily watch my screen. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
everybody can
Yes.
see my screen now.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, so mamayan.com, how you understand this website actually use proxy server or not? So for that, you need to go to the command line interface from your Windows PC and write down ping space mamayan.com, and you will get this kind of response. Okay, just copy this IP and going back to the whiz lookup and paste it here your IP and click search or hit enter, and you will get this response which net provider is Cloudflare. This is the one way you can be find out this original web server IP. Okay, so another way we can be use sorry, original web server. Okay, another way we can be use netcraft site report. Okay, so we are going to here site report. Okay, and click here. Oh, sorry, not here. This the site report is maybe this one. Okay. Okay, and comes here and copy this web's address and paste it here and click lookup. It's working. Just a minute, I'm sending this web's address in Zoom chat box as well. Okay, and check it out. This hosting company shows here Cloudflare. So that means they use Cloudflare proxy server. Check it out, all these things happen here. So they use proxy server. This is the another way you can be find out they use proxy server or not. Okay, if we think about another way, this is the one tools in Kali WAF off. Okay, so this is the another way you can be find out proxy they use proxy server or not. Okay, so I am sending this tool's name in Zoom chat box, and everybody please open your Kali and we try how actually use this WAF off. So go to your Kali, open VMware, and power on Kali. And write down here Kali, press enter. Okay, go to your terminal, write down here WAF 00F off. Okay, and pasted this web address, copy, paste here and hit enter. Okay, check it out. This Mamayan use proxy from Cloudflare. Okay, so they use proxy. If you think about another website like this one, this we know already. Okay, like this website, just copy and paste it here. Check, they use another proxy, which
Brother,
is
what does that mean? WAF WAF W00F.
this is
Like
the
this is something.
this is actually tools, Kali tools name of
Oh, okay.
yeah. So this is the another website which name is known.com, and they use another proxy server for Akamai, and the company name is maybe Kona Site Funder. So this is the way you can be identify they use proxy server or not, and that time you need to be find out original server IP behind the proxy. Okay, so everybody doing with me?
Can you go a little bit up your screen, Brother Karim? Yeah,
Okay,
the Kali.
But uh, is there a way I can have the WAF wolf um in a sublister like the Z Fisher on Kali?
No. Actually, WAF off is built-in built-in application in Kali. Built-in. No need to install.
Oh, it's built in. Okay.
Yeah. Zfisher you need to be download from GitHub, and after downloading you can be execute. But WAF off is built-in application. Okay.
Okay. So, how can you find the port open using WAF Wolf?
No. This is only fine to uh, web proxy provider. That's it. This tool is
Oh,
used to find out proxy server, proxy provider.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, which is Cloudflare, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So anybody has any question about these things?
No.
Okay. How to find the original server IP behind the proxy we covered already. How you can find the original server IP, CMD lookup, okay, DNS dumpster, hacker target. How to find web server vulnerabilities. Okay. So you can be use Sudan sensors and you can be use Sudan sensors and nmap. So we covered already sensors, Sudan as well. In our next session, inshallah, will be covered nmap is because nmap is little long topics. We can be discussed little more time. So sensors in Shodan as it is. We are going to Shodan again. Just a minute. Uh, Shodan. Okay, if you think about our web server, it is okay. This IP, just copy this IP and paste it to here, as it is census. Okay, search, and we got response. Okay, this port are open from this web server, and all these are host name and located in German. Sorry. Dusseldorf, and location is Dusseldorf. Okay, and web server is Nginx as it is census, but their user interface and census user interface little bit different. Okay, so all these things are as it is same. So this show them, and nmap we will be covering in our next session, inshallah. And how to find out header security vulnerability. This is also another vulnerability you can find from this. You can search from this website. Website name is security header. Security headers. Okay, and just click this website link, copy and paste it here. Before that, I'm sending this link to Zoom chat box. Everybody can note it down. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste here and click scan. Okay, so check it out. This Mamayan, this A grade. If you think about the 000 and paste it here, click scan. Wow, A plus. Okay, so if we think about another website like security handle,
Tell them to tell any other website than ours. Just
okay.
fun way.
Okay, if you think about this website and paste it here, scan. Okay, so their grade is D. So they don't did not compliance with security hurdles. Okay, so if we think about another website
Oh, I
which
think the one we did before, the holistic form something.
okay,
Yeah, family
okay,
form.
and paste it here.
If we think about Bangladeshi, like Bangladesh Bank, what will be happen?
Okay, so if we think about Bangladesh Bank,
Yes.
uh,
Oh,
and this is not Bangladesh Bank security. This security from Google.
yes, yes, I know. Yes, yes.
Okay, see,
No, we need to find out the URL first from the Google search.
yeah,
Then you
yes,
type yeah.
Okay, okay, you got it.
Find the URL. Yeah, this is the URL, original one.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
So if you
because this is the
think
wrong.
we
about
can see.
here,
Yes.
scan. Okay, D.
Oh, oh, yes.
So
I really.
yeah,
So,
if you think about maybe Central Stock Exchange,
okay.
they have maybe two domain anyway. We'll be try by two way, inshallah. Scan. They are
B.
B. Okay, if you think about this
Um,
one,
Can you give the Prathamalu paper, newspaper?
okay,
yes.
sure.
Our Ministry of Defense,
Okay,
Bangladesh.
they also B.
So Arslan, is it funny, huh?
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh,
Prathamala is
D.
D.
Oh, oh my God.
Everything is
Okay,
B and D.
Yes. There is no one. This A in
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
yeah. Actually, they don't hire maybe
I think
cyber
Dutch
Ba-
Bangla
security
a
expert.
little better,
Dutch Bangla.
Dutch
maybe.
Bangla is a
Maybe.
bank.
Yeah.
If you look up in Pakistan, you're gonna see all F.
Can you tell me Pakistan something? Can you tell some Pakistan stock exchange? Which one is Pakistan stock exchange?
Stock change.
Uh,
1 sec.
Dutch Bangla also
Oh,
D.
D.
Can you
Oh,
can you search for Pakistan stock exchange?
oh. Maybe you got you will get A. That is a Bikash.
Okay, just a minute. Pakistan Stock Exchange. Actually, security expert never concerned about all these things. B. Okay.
B, they are better a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, B cash is there. Yeah, B cash is here. So this is the way that
Yes.
you can.
Yes. We saw it a couple of months before, and with the help of
But did
brother Mahabub. Yes.
Oh, mashallah, alhamdulillah.
Yes.
did you check Pakistan PSX? It's okay.
Yeah, I'm looking at the
Kaya
PSX
সবাই
too.
লাগবে তা প্লিজ হাতে পায়ে ধরে গেল
Security headers. Okay.
Let's see which one.
কে আসতেছে গুল যা আমি যাবো so this is the things I
Oh, that
actually
one it says C.
so I already shared this web link as well. Security headers, how to find vulnerability using Google search, Google Dark. Okay. Sir, maybe we need more 1 hour if we are going to complete this session. What will we do? What to do, sir?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
I will be complete this session today, or
Can you check the brother
leave it for
the
next.
installation complete or not?
Okay, brother Shaheen, can you share your screen, please?
Okay, yes, I just
Yeah, you can go ahead, no problem. So for all of your help, I just try to make some summary for all of the resources together.
great.
So these resources are helpful for yourself.
Okay, brother, can you open this VMware again, please? Is it open? Go to down and click this from
No, no, no,
menu
go to the
panel.
taskbar.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
click open a virtual machine and go to download folder. Double click this Kali folder. Open this Kali folder. Yes. Open again. Open again. Okay. Click this upgrade button left middle of the line. No, scroll up. Upgrade the virtual machine. This virtual. Yeah.
oh, upgrade the virtual
No,
machine.
little. Yeah. This one.
Oh
Yes.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. Next. Select this version hardware compatibility. Not what is workstation 8.x. Little up, brother. No, little up. Little up.
Little
Not
left,
here,
wait.
not here. Go to
Okay,
Yeah. There. Here.
there is a drop down menu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Click here and choose
workstation
top one.
17.5.
Yes.
Okay,
Click next. Select second one. Alter this machine. Yes. Click. Okay. Click finish. Okay. Click close. Okay. Go to the edit virtual machine button. Uh, not from here, brother.
oh,
Middle of the line. Middle of the
middle of
page.
the line.
Yeah. Scroll
No.
up. Yeah. Scroll up. Yes. This
Yeah.
Okay,
one. Yes.
okay.
Click right side from 2 to 4 minimum. Right side. Yeah. Select 4 GB.
Only four. Four equal
Okay.
4 GB.
Okay. Okay. Scroll up. Make it maximize this screen. Okay. Power on this virtual machine. Okay. Okay. Username is Kali. Password also Kali. press login. Okay, so your Kali is ready to work.
Okay.
Okay, so brother Anaf is here.
Yo.
Okay, please help to brother Shaheen how to use Kali, or how to use WAF off, or all these things what we covered today's session. And if you don't mind, give me 10 minutes for break. I wanna go to washroom and I'll be back soon, inshallah. Okay,
Okay.
I'm taking a break for
Okay.
10 minutes, please.
Mm-hmm. So since we want to use WAF, you so go on the terminal.
Can you share us very quick how you recon so far you haven't, yeah, for you are working at the time of interview. I'm just asking how you recon. Then
Uh,
after your answer, Brother Karim, go to the classes. Yeah.
okay, let's just say if the gamesworldegypt.com, we were working on that website, right? So if you want to find the IP address, you look up the ping gamesworld.egypt.com and you find the IP, like the IP address, and then you look up nslookup dash type equal to mxgamesworldegypt.com, and you find the mail exchanger. And then you go on the website who is and then you find and you put the IP address and you try to and you get the main IP, like the main IP address. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead, please. Don't try. Whatever comes, go ahead. Don't try to make connect. Whatever you understand, just throw it up. It's fine. We are not looking for perfect. Please.
Oh, I was not talking?
No, you didn't
Oh
hear
my
it.
God.
That's okay. You can go again.
Yeah, so I was saying, so then if you find the main location for the IP address, then you go to DNS dumpster and you can find the location. And if you want to find the ports, you go to the the sensor thing, the sensor website, and you can find all the ports of the IP address.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Thank you. Brother, go ahead, please.
Okay, thank
Correct.
you everyone.
MashaAllah. Thank you so much. I highly appreciate all of you, those who give answer. That's a good though. Honestly, that's a very good initiative. MashaAllah, you give very good answer, everyone. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
So,
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sorry. So we are in. Okay, hello security.
I mute myself by accident. I don't know.
It's okay.
Okay, okay,
That's
it's alright.
crazy.
Alright. So these the things. Just a minute. We are going to know how you can find vulnerabilities by using Google search. Okay. So this is the very important and interesting part. By Google search, you can find website vulnerabilities, web application vulnerabilities. Okay. So this called Google Doc. Finding vulnerabilities by using Google search. This called Google Doc. Google Doc. Okay. So we are going to learn Google Docking. Google Docking is a thing. Then you need to be put it some search term. Then you can get result from Google search. That this website or this type of website has the vulnerabilities. Okay, this is called google.org. This is the very popular scanning or enumerating method everybody used. Sometime it can be happen passive recon and sometime active recon. Okay, so this the search term. This note I will share with you everyone, inshallah. So this is the search term, then you can be find out a specific site. For example, when we search here like the 000, we got lots of many results, like which is related to 000 and which is not related to 000. Okay, for example, check it out. This is the 000.gov.au, right? So if we think about only our site like 000.com, we wanted to get all results which is related to directly the 000.com. In that time you just write down like that, site dot enter. So check it out. Right now we got all results which is directly related to the 000, not related to any other website, which is directly related to our domain, which is the 000.com. So this is the things you can be put it as a search term, sites. Okay, and then sorry, colon, and then the domain name. Okay, and if we think about put it another term like title, colon, and put it here like admin. We don't find any admin. Okay, in URL means, for example, okay, our admin URL is locked, so that we are going through another website, which is this website. It would be better to understand. Okay, and okay, and write down here in URL admin and press enter. We don't find anything. If we think WP admin, okay, check it out. We got a suspicious link from this website, which is lavista.com, and go here. Okay, we don't find anything here. Go. Okay, if we think about some, anyway, we remove this symbol quotation WP admin. We don't find anything. Okay, if we put it any other in URL login, okay, enter. We don't find anything. Anyway, we need to put it like that. Okay, we don't find anything here. If we try by this search term in title, okay, I am going to show you massive well, not like a specific website, that you can understand. For example, if you think about enumerate all Pakistani government website, okay, for example, write down here site, and Pakistani web extension is gov.pk and space, and in URL colon, and then login, enter. So I'm not robot. Okay, check it out. All this website related to Pakistan government, and all this is login URL, login page. Check it out. This the login page maybe. Yes, this is the one login page which is from National Scientist Directory. This is another login page. This is from Global IT Certification. And this is another login page. This is another login page. So okay, this is the login page. This is loading. Okay, this also login page. This login page also loading. So all this from Pakistan government website. Okay, so if you think about Indian government website, if you wanted to enumerate or scanning something that identify happen some finding some vulnerabilities or not, so this is the thing we put it Indian government website last domain extension, and we got some login page. So all these things are vulnerable. So if you think about like some more vulnerable things, we just okay, just put it here. That means we wanted to find out any website has a backup database or not. Okay, hit enter. Okay, check it out. This is one website we got from India, but this is not okay. If we think about Pakistan, okay, we don't find anything. Okay, it's because this is very vulnerable. Sorry, we put it Sarsta, we put it okay, it's all right. If we put it here like dot bak backup file and press enter, okay, we don't find anything. File config, okay, file log, password. Okay, if you put it this one for finding credential, okay, we don't find anything. Okay, this is important. Okay, detail. Okay, check it out. This is the another vulnerable link that we will find by Google search. Check it out. Okay, this is vulnerable. This is vulnerable. This is also vulnerable. So here we did not get anything. Okay, check it out. We got something here. Here is a framework. Here is the app. Okay, logs. What inside? Oh, backup logs. Oh. Okay, so this is would be important, and this is the vulnerabilities for this website. Which what is the website name? This one. So this website has a vulnerabilities. Okay, I don't know what is this website. CDA from Pakistan. Okay, so this website has the vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is the vulnerabilities. They open, they are exposed their private information publicly. All these things you will get from here. So this is the another website. DGPE, all these things are open here. So this is, you can consider also vulnerable. Okay, this website. So if we think about Pakistan or Bangladesh name BD and hit enter, we'll find this website DPP, Department of Printing and Publication. No, it's redirect to the main page. Okay, this is the vulnerabilities. If you go here, Water Development Board, yes, this is the vulnerabilities from their website. Okay. Okay, so this is the way I am sending this as from in Google, sorry, Zoom chat box. Then you will find and can try by this way. So I will share this Google docking sheet from here. So this is actually okay. This is the plugin. Okay, this is the netcam, webcam X, netcam. Okay, if we try to find out this one in title, maybe we can see some publicly exposed webcam. Okay, this is the webcam maybe. Okay, if you try by here, check it out. This is the one webcam which is publicly exposed. I don't know where is it, but this is the webcam. This is publicly exposed. So by using this, and if you are thinking about, okay, we have got 131 webcam. If we think about United States only, okay, we did not find by this way. Anyway, just copy this IP and paste it to Google. Okay, this not work. Maybe they have a custom port. Okay, they have a custom port which port number is 5432. This is another webcam which is publicly exposed. Okay, so if you scroll down, we'll get some more. This is another webcam which is publicly exposed. Okay, so this is the way you can be use Google Doc to finding or searching some common vulnerabilities by using Google search engine. Okay, so I am downloading this as a PDF and we'll put it to your classroom inshallah. Okay, everybody is listen to me.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, this is the way to use Google Doc. Okay, so I am closing all these things and also share this today's recording session as well. And our last slide is how to use, you can be use GoBuster or Dhir Search. GoBuster and Dhir Search both are same. How to find web application directories, okay, by using GoBuster. Okay, so we will be use Dhir Search. This search is because, for example, what is the directory and what is the subdomain. For example, this is our website. Okay, okay, if we put it here like Corey dot sustain secure, this is the subdomain, this is main domain, and this is the subdomain from this domain. Okay, so this is subdomain. If you are put it anything as a prefix, this is called subdomain. Okay, If you put it like this way, this called directory, like this called the directory. So this is directory. If you put after quorum slash quorum1, that means this is directory, sorry, this quorum is directory and this quorum1 is subdirectory. Okay, and this is root directory, or you can consider this the main domain, and this is the directory 1 or directory, and this is subdirectory, and this called subdomain. Okay, so how you can find directories, this is the important, how you can find directories. For example, how many directories available or has in this website, how many directories. For example, maybe you will find directories like that, this admin, or like this login, or like this doors, or like this. So all these directories will going to be vulnerable. Okay, so as a cybersecurity expert, this is the important that you can find out directories from your organization web application or websites. Okay, for that we are going to use dirp. Tool's name is dirp. Okay, or just a minute, if you think about to use Google or GoBuster, you can use GoBuster as well. Okay, so download this one before. Okay, so GoBuster and dirp as it is same, and when you use GoBuster, this is the command you need to execute from your Kali. Okay, so this is the command GoBuster, this is the tool's name, what you wanted to enumerate directories. Okay, and dash u means what is your target or URL. So our target is sustainSecure.com, and word list is already we know word list location, user, and then share, and then anyway I'm doing here. Okay, then you can understand easily in Kali. So before doing anything, just go to the folder share word list location. Okay, so word list location is /usr/share/word list, and hit enter. Okay, and write down ls, check it out. Here you will find lots of word lists. So dir buster or dir, any word list you can choose from these both of folder, dir from dir or from dir buster. Anyway, I am going to go inside dir, enter ls. We can be use this common text. Okay, so before that we need to be just copy this link or the path and paste it here, and what is the file name? Our file name is text common, sorry, common text. Okay, so this our command to search directories from website sustainSecure.com. Just copy and paste it here, and then press enter. So I am sending this command to Zoom chat box. Everybody can do with me. So it's working. Okay, so first of all, we got two subdirectory. Two directory. First one is sustain secure slash css. Another is sustain secure slash downloads. Download. Another is sustain secure dot img inbox. Lots of things. So one by one we can be check. Okay. So I am just stop this scanning. Just copy and go to here, paste it here, enter. Sorry, copy is not going well. Copy, paste, hit enter. Wow, this directory is working. So this is the valid directory. Okay, so if you go to here, so this GoBuster actually help you to find out this admin login URL. Okay, find out to door, like for example, this is the La Vista. Okay, so we don't know what is the door to go inside, what is the login page. Okay, in that scenario you need to be use GoBuster, or you need to be use Dir search, Dir Buster, or Dir, that kinds of tools. Okay, so another is CSS inbox. Okay, enter. Okay, this is the one WhatsApp group which is related to our sustain secure. It's redirect from this domain, this directory. It's redirect to the WhatsApp group. So this also valid directory. Okay. So this is the way you can be find out this directory. That means you need to be find out the admin URL. For example, if you don't find admin URL, how you can be exploit this their web server or web application. So before doing anything for web application pen testing, it's important to enumerate web login page or web login URL. Okay, brothers.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So all these things
Are
we
you,
covered
you don't
already.
get tired? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So Alhamdulillah, all these things we covered today's session. So if you have any question, then you can ask me about our today's session, and also I will share this recording session as well as to with our Google Classroom, and I'll put it here some try hack me room as well. So you need to be complete all these things before our next session, inshallah. So tell me if you wanted to know anything else from
Brother,
today's session.
I have a question. So when we put the Go Buster thing on the Kali, right?
Okay.
I got everything worked, but when I copy paste the link, the download one, it says page not found when I do it on the,
Can you share your screen, please?
yeah.
Okay. Copy this web link, please, and paste it to your Google Chrome.
It's working.
No, why you are posting here, searching here? No, open new tab.
Yeah.
Okay, put it here and paste here and hit enter. Enter.
Okay, worked. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Okay.
Okay, I was putting on the bottom thing.
Yeah.
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 Okay. So anyone has any questions, brothers?
Brother
No,
Solan.
everything is good, alhamdulillah.
So, Alhamdulillah, mashallah. So, inshallah, we'll see you our next session. During this time, keep learning and follow our classroom. So everything will be posted, and expect to all of you keep contacting or communicating to our classroom each others and help each others. If you don't know anything or confused with any topics, you will post
Mm-hmm.
it to our classroom. Inshallah, we will try to help you on time. Okay. So, sir, you wanted to tell them anything?
No, I'm good. It's fine.
Uh,
I'm doing
so
this.
okay, inshallah
Yeah.
we'll see you next Saturday. So please pray for me,
And also
especially
Tuesday, not only Saturday, Tuesday as well.
Tuesday and Saturday as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so pray for me, especially for my son. So thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum, all of you.
Wa alaikum
Jazakallah, brother.
assalam wa rahmatullahi wa
Allah
barakatuh.
Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Recording stopped.